In nature, groups of insects and animals can self-assemble various spatial shapes that are functional for the groups adapting to the environments. As a remarkable example, army ants can assemble shapes to transport food cooperatively or construct bridges using their bodies to overcome spatial gaps. These shape assembly behaviors exhibit strong tolerance of individual faults and can easily scale up to thousands or even millions of individuals. The fascinating behaviors of biological systems have inspired extensive studies on robot swarms. An important problem in robot swarms is to assemble a desired shape in a locally distributed manner. The shape assembly problem has a unique technical challenge compared to other swarming problems. The desired shape in shape assembly is a global constraint for all the robots. This constraint triggers a competitive relationship among cooperative robots. This competing relationship brings great challenges for achieving highly efficient shape assembly of large-scale robot swarms. This competing problem is often solved by goal assignment in traditional methods. However, these methods face fundamental limitations in terms of robustness and efficiency due to goal assignment. To solve this problem, we propose a new strategy for shape assembly of robot swarms based on the idea of mean shift exploration. The proposed shape assembly strategy consists of three components. The first is a human swarm graphical interface that can specify the desired shape as a black-white binary grid and convert the binary grid to a grayscale grid, so that the influence of the desired shape is gradually expanded. Once the grayscale grid has been generated by the human swarm interface, it is sent to all the robots and stored in each robot's memory. The second is a distributed negotiation process. Robots negotiate with each other to autonomously determine the Euclidean parameters of the desired shape, including the position or orientation, in a distributed manner. Each robot interprets the desired shape locally and may have different initial interpretations. With the negotiation algorithm, all the robots would eventually reach a consensus on the final shape. The third, which is the core of the proposed strategy, is a distributed control algorithm. The control algorithm consists of three components. The shape entering command aims to steer robot to the desired shape by seeking the darkest grid cells around them. The shape exploring command aims to push each robot into the desired shape and then explore unoccupied cells inside the desired shape. The aim of the interaction velocity command is to achieve collision avoidance and velocity alignment. We implemented the proposed strategy on a swarm of 50 holonomic wheeled robots. The experiments were conducted in an indoor environment with the support of a motion capture system and realized through a parallel multi-thread system in a distributed manner. The proposed strategy can assemble non-convex complex shapes. One representative complex shape is the snowflake that contains rich tiny branches. With the proposed strategy, the robot swarm can assemble the snowflake shape without trapping in local minima. Compared to the state-of-the-art methods, the proposed strategy improves the convergence efficiency dozens of times for large-scale swarms. The efficiency improvement is more significant as the swarm scale increases. The proposed strategy is naturally adaptive to individual faults because it does not rely on any goal reassignment algorithm. When some robots leave the swarm, the remaining robots can autonomously assemble the desired shape without any fault detection or fault-tolerant control algorithms. Being able to track moving shapes is an important feature of the proposed strategy. An important application is cooperative cargo transportation. In this task, robots follow informed robots to track the desired trajectory while maintaining a desired shape, thus achieving cargo transportation. The proposed strategy can also be applied to environment exploration tasks. As a representative example, a swarm can flood into a room through a narrow passage without getting trapped at the entrance. Even in the presence of many non-convex corners in a maze, the swarm can successfully fulfill the maze without getting deadlocked, due to its strong exploration ability. Thanks for your attention.